In this video, we'll show you how to easily lift your electric wheelchair into your car using a portable hoist, the perfect solution for safe and effortless loading. Start by folding your wheelchair and positioning your portable hoist close to the boot of your car. Once in place, engage the brakes on the hoist and power on the battery. Place your folded wheelchair onto the hoist platform and fasten the strap securely around the frame. Make sure everything feels tight and balanced before lifting. Next, find the remote control and press the plus button to begin lifting. As the hoist raises, stabilizers automatically extend to prevent tipping and keep everything steady. Continue lifting until the wheelchair reaches boot lip height. If you need to fine tune the alignment, disengage the brakes, gently reposition the hoist, then re engage the brakes to lock it back in place. Once aligned, remove the straps and carefully push the wheelchair forward onto the boot lip, then roll it fully inside. Once it's in, you may need to make these small adjustments to the wheelchair's position to ensure it fits securely and allows the boot to close comfortably. Now that your wheelchair is loaded, use the minus button on the remote to lower the hoist back down. The hoist itself is lightweight, only 12 kilograms, yet strong enough to lift up to 50 kilograms. Taking your wheelchair out is just as easy. Set up the hoist again, roll or place the wheelchair onto the platform, strap it up, and use the remote to lower it down. Once on the ground, roll or lift it off, and you're ready to go. Etech Mobility, designed for your freedom, built for your convenience.